A powerful blizzard is moving in, and authorities have issued an official blizzard warning for your area. This storm is expected to bring heavy snowfall, strong winds, and dangerously low visibility, creating hazardous conditions for everyone. Snow could accumulate quickly, covering roads and sidewalks, making travel extremely dangerous. Ice may form on streets, driveways, and walkways, increasing the risk of accidents. Power outages are also possible, so it's important to be prepared ahead of time. If you can, stay indoors and avoid going outside unless absolutely necessary. Make sure you have enough food, water, and warm clothing to last at least a few days. Keep blankets, flashlights, and other emergency supplies on hand. Charge your phones and devices, and have backup power sources ready. Check on neighbors, especially the elderly or vulnerable, to ensure they're safe. For anyone who must travel, extreme caution is required. Roads will be icy, visibility could drop to near zero, and accidents are very likely. Only travel in emergencies, and let someone know your route and estimated arrival time. Pets and animals should also be kept safe and warm. Avoid leaving them outside during the storm. Make sure your vehicles are stocked with emergency supplies if you need to drive. Stay updated with the latest weather alerts and news reports. Follow all instructions from authorities and avoid taking unnecessary risks. Remember, this storm is serious, and even short trips can be dangerous. Prepare, stay alert, and prioritize safety. Stay inside, stay warm, and help keep yourself and your community safe during this blizzard.